So you guys have been running the brand for the past year, 2025 came, you said that you're gonna fix it and you didn't, and now it's almost 2026 and you still haven't fixed that brand. So in this video we're gonna figure out exactly your problems and how we can fix it. In this video we're gonna go back to the funnel from the beginning and try to fix everything about your brand. Before we start the video, even if you think you know anything, just remove all the knowledge that you got and just focus on this video. We're gonna start from level 1. You're gonna go and start from level 1. So even if I say something in the video and you think that you already know it, then why is it not working for you? So in this video I'm gonna break down exactly what you need to do in order to fix that brand. Trust me, if you watch this video from the beginning to the end and you listen to what I tell you, trust me, there's no way your brand will not prosper in 2026. So if you guys don't know who I am Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where we help scale crypto brands. Like, we handle the ads, is to be specific with you guys, we handle the ads, SMS marketing, email marketing, all of the backend stuff. Like, literally when you're working, all you have to do is ship the orders and create content. Matter of fact, even if you don't want to ship the orders, we have in-house fulfillment centers that are gonna handle all of the shipping for you. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. We're gonna go ahead and start from the beginning. The most important part is the product. Like 80% of the time when your ads or your brand is not working, it's because your product is 100% shit. Like, what I want you guys to know is, like I've said it all of my videos, when your brand isn't working out, it's because your product is shit. Because what I want you guys to know is that the product is one of the most important part of the brand, because that's the value exchanging for money with other people. So let's go ahead and start with the product. The first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is go back from the beginning. Like, what I want you guys to know is you have to have a good design, and the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is get a good design for you guys. So how we're going to do that is by you hiring someone today for you. Like, you've done it in 2025 and it's not working. It's time to hire someone today for you. Trust me, it's better you spend $100 or $50 to hire someone today for you than you doing it and it doesn't work out. So what I want you guys to do is find people who are better than you at the stuff that you don't know how to do and let them do it for you. So what you're going to do is find a good designer. If you guys want me to recommend a designer for you, just hit me up. Happily for our clients, when they're working with us, when we start working, like, we have an in-house designer that does all of the designs for us. So if you guys want that, just hit me up. Alright, so after we have went ahead and got a good design, like I told you guys, the design is the most important part. What we're gonna go ahead and do is make a tech pack, explain design and everything. After we have done the tech pack, what we're gonna go ahead and do is find a good manufacturer. Like, all of these things are simplified for our clients. When they're working with us, they get a private manufacturer that does all of the designs for the clients that I'm working with. His prices are hella cheap and he delivers in time. As I wrote here, don't buy the bulk. Like, what I want you guys to do is don't buy the bulk until you find out it works. What we're gonna go ahead and do is, for the first drop, we're gonna do a pre-order, and after you find out that it works and we have sold the first drop, everything is sold out, like, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna do our next drop, which is gonna be pre-made. Because we did the first drop and we're 100% sure it works, then we're gonna go ahead and buy pre-made. But in the beginning, like, you have already lost too much money in 2025, so don't buy the bulk because you don't know if the product is 100% good. Alright guys, so after we have finished the designing process and the product process, what we're gonna go ahead and do next is create a good converting website. Like, first thing that you need to keep note that it needs to be simple white or a simple black website. All of this shit that you guys do is fucking dog shit. All of these designs that you put in the website just slows it down and confuses people. So just make it a simple white website, no background music. And also, what I want you guys to do is good product pictures. Where, let me show you guys an example of a good ass product picture for my brand right here. Alright guys, so this is an example of a good website. If you guys don't know, I own a brand called Vant. Alright, so as you can see, everything is so fucking simple. Google catalog, you can see the items, good product pictures. Like I told you guys, don't do all of that crazy ass stuff. Just make it simple. A simple flat lay is enough for you. Like, you don't need all of that crazy ass stuff. But let me show you guys this one. As you guys can see, you can see the details and everything. Alright guys, so this is also another example, as you guys can see right here. This is another example of a good ass site, as you guys can see right here. You can see the products. Like, this is for one of my brands that I'm working with currently. This has performed for us well because we're hitting like 20k months with this product alone. Alright, so after you have the product right, the website right, what we're going to go ahead and talk about next is pricing. Like I told you, don't overprice that shit. Like I told you, 2025 you're overpricing that shit because you had people saying know the worth of your brand and all that stuff. Your brand is worthless if people aren't buying. So what we're going to go ahead and do is start with a really low price so that you can get people to buy. Like, what I want you guys to know is it's better people buy than you end up pricing up. For example, let's say you're selling your shit at 100, now it's a fucking simple tea, no one is gonna buy, and you end up hopeless. You think your product is not well, but it's just the pricing that's cheating you. Like, for example, we had a client who was fucking overpricing his shit. Since before we started the ads, I told him no one is gonna buy this. and at the end we ended up no one did buy that product because the product was too expensive. Me, as soon as we reduced that shit to 80, 90, $20,000 a month for that client. So that's just show you guys that one simple change can fucking fuck everything for you. So don't overprice, start really low. Like, let's start really low, then if it's going well, then we increase the price. Like, it's better for you to start really low and you then increase the price if it's going well. Like, increase it slowly from maybe a 50 to 55, keep increase it slowly, then you ending up pricing it around 100, then 2 people buy, then after 3 days you lower it down to 70. Like, that just spoils your brand. Alright guys, so after you have gotten the website right, product right, pricing right, the fourth thing we're gonna go ahead and talk about in the funnel is traffic, which is the most important part. Like I told you guys, like in all of my videos, even if your product is 100% good, like even if your product looks 100% good and the craziest product, but if people are saying it, it's fucking useless. Because what I want you guys to know is people need to say before they buy. We having crazy ass products that aesthetic looks on point, but people are not buying, and you come back to me, why are people not buying? And the reason why people are not buying is because you don't get traffic. Like, what I want you guys to know is traffic is equals to sales. People need to see before they buy. You guys are just making crazy ass products, but you guys don't know how to market it. Like I told you guys, if you don't know how to market that shit, hire someone to do it for you. Like for our clients, we're 100% printing like crazy for them. Why do you think you know everything? Why do you think that you're different from them? Because they hire people that are better than them at the marketing. They're good at creating a product, creating content, but they don't know how to market that shit. So that's where we come in handy. So if you guys want to work with me, just share the local down below, then we're gonna change your life, just like how we did for all of the brands that we're working with. Like, we have brand owners that are fucking not working right now. Just 4 days, I just posted something in my story, like with one of my brands that we're working with. First time he hopped on the call, he was working a 9 to 5. Like, he had to skip that shift in order to go get the call with me. Then we hopped on the call. In that call, I told him, bro, in the next 4 months, you're not gonna be working in this place. And he would just laugh it off. Like, he didn't really believe that. But now, he's making $40,000 a month consistently. Last month we just did $80,000. That does show you guys that this shit is really possible. As long as you do everything right, then it's 100% possible. Like, it's not luck, it's just you knowing the strategies and everything. Traffic, as I told you guys, it's the most important thing. If you have a really good product and no one didn't see it, it's 100% fucking useless. So first thing is paid ads. That's the thing that we go for with all of my clients. But like I tell my clients every year, they shouldn't be focusing on paid ads all the time. Like, it's better you have 50-50. Organic is performing, ads are performing, because when your organic is performing, your ads perform better. What I want you guys to do is post 3 videos a day on TikTok and Instagram. Like, post 3 videos a day. Like, that's just it. You guys make it look as hard as it is, but it's not really that hard. All you have to do is just turn on the camera, go outside, record the content for like 2 hours, then you come back, you keep printing that shit. That's pretty all. Let me show you guys an example of good content. As you guys can see, I just loaded up one of the brands that we're working with right now and use their shit. Like, look at this shit. Like, tell me this content doesn't look good. Tell me this shit doesn't look good. The product looks 100% good. The content looks on point. Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit right here. This is a fucking good ass creative. Look at this content. This brand has the most crazy organic that you guys can't even think of. Guys, look at the views that this brand is getting organically. 44,000 views, 70,000, 32,000, 16,000, 61,000, 14,000. Like, that's just consistency, guys. Just post the fuck out of this content. Like, just be posting. And also, don't forget to capitalize trial reels. But let me show you guys what trial reels are. If you guys don't know what trial reels are the shit that you post and like your viewers, your followers will not see. All the people that you're not following, that are not following your, like, just cold audience, not a warm audience. I'm gonna show it to your warm audience. Let me show you guys an example. Just go right here, we'll see trial reels on your page. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. This is what trial reels are. Like even if you are scared of like your followers seeing it, you spamming and disturbing your followers, you can just go with the trial reels. In the trial reels, you can be posting like 40 times, 50 times, 10 times a day if you're using trial reels. Just you need to capitalize what's working right now. Like this for one of my clients, as you guys can see, we generated more than 145,000 effort, which is around $170,000 just through ads. Through organic, they made like $200,000. Like that, let's show you guys should be capitalized. Both of the funnels, like don't focus on one, go with both. Alright guys, so in the beginning what we're gonna do is you're gonna get 5 high quality creatives for ads, not just graphic designs. Like for my clients personally, videos perform the best for them, so we're gonna go ahead and get 5 high quality creative for ads. That way we can capitalize ads and organic. 3 videos a day on reels, 5 high quality creatives for ads. If you guys have any question, just hit me up on Instagram, then I'll personally reply to you. I reply to all of my messages, so just chill out time below if you want to work with me one-on-one. I get asked a lot is, when should I drop? Like you guys just be choosing random ass drop dates, like you're just a random ass brand. So you guys, what I want you guys to do is don't pick a drop date in the beginning. Keep posting until you know that there's enough demand for that product and you drop that product. Like when you just choose a drop date and you drop in that date, it's fucking useless because no one is gonna buy because you haven't built enough hype. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. If you guys don't want to work with me one-on-one, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll just show you the code down below. You guys can see right here where we're currently working on more than 75 plus brands. For right here, $152,000 for a client in a day, $352,000 for a client in 5 days. Like this for our clients. They're working on a whole agency. You guys can see that before they spent $8,000 to make back $9,000, and as soon as we started working, $20,000 with $4,000, I've spent $4,000 to get back $19,000 with a 4.3x ROAS. Something that's different with us and other agencies is that other agencies are just focusing on the ads, but us, we go on your funnel, like we do everything for you. All you have to do is ship the orders, then create content. So if you guys want to work with me on one, just show the code down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, please. I will really appreciate that.